Hello students, it's me Kshitija Sirke with our new session Leaves Also Breathe. Yes, in today's session we are going to see leaves also breathe means the breathing process of leaves, how the plants respire and how the leaves breathe. So let's begin with our today's session Leaves Also Breathe. Here, for this, we require to do a small experiment. For this experiment, material we required is transparent and a transparent or a crystal. Yes, for our experiment, material we required is a transparent or crystal bowl, a warm water, a small stone or a heavy paper weight, a active leaf, a leaf which is just plugged, and a magnifying glass. Lukewarm water means a water which is not more hot or not very cold. It is just a warm water. An active leaf means a leaf which is just plugged before our experiment. So to understand does leaves really breathe, we are going to perform a small experiment. In this experiment, material we required is crystal or transparent bowl, warm water, small stone, active leaf and magnifying glass. So let's begin with the procedure. For procedure, first step is fill the bowl with warm water, submerge the leaf completely inside the bowl and place the stone on it. So we have to fill the bowl with water, merge the leaf completely, that leaf does not float, it will deep in the water, place the stone on it so that leaf cannot come up and float, it will be submerged inside the water. Now second step is leave the leaf inside the bowl for 3-4 hours and keep it in the sunny place. Leave the water bowl for the 3-4 hours, keep it in the sunny place. After the couple of hours, note your observation. So after couple of hours, we will get to know does plants really breathe, and we are understand how it is happened. So let me explain you what we understand is when we keep the bowl in the sunny place, leaves convert the sunlight into energy. We all know that in any plant, leaves are the main to produce the food, and leaves produce the food by converting sunlight into the energy or into the food. Means with the help of sunlight, leaves convert the sun's energy into their food. Now, in this our experiment, what you actually observe is there will be these small bubbles being formed around and on the leaf. When you use the magnifying glass to observe that, you will clearly see the small bubbles being formed on and around the leaf. Let me show you. In this diagram, you can see there are the bubbles on the leaves and around the leaves formed. These bubbles are the oxygen bubbles. So let me tell you, as leaves generate energy, they release the extra oxygen that we see as the bubble. So when leaves produce the food, they take carbon dioxide, they take water from the roots, they take sun energy, and when these three chemically react with each other, they produce the oxygen and carbohydrates and glucose. So the glucose and carbohydrates are used by the plant for their own growth, and the oxygen formed in this process, they released it out. And when we keep the plant in the water, that oxygen forms the bubble and we see it in the form of the bubbles. Look at this second image here. Sun gives the sunlight which falls on the leaves. Carbon dioxide from the air trapped in the leaves. Water from the roots come to the leaves. These three substances come in the leaves and react with each other and forms glucose and give out the oxygen. That glucose is used for plants growth and extra generated oxygen gives out of the leaves. That oxygen we humans used for our breathing purpose. So when leaves generate the energy or when they generate the food, they release the extra oxygen, and that extra oxygen we see as the bubbles. When we see the bubbles on the leaves, it means they are releasing the oxygen. That means leaves also breathe. But in the breathing of leaves, they inhale, they intake the carbon dioxide and they exhale, they gives us out the oxygen, and that oxygen we humans use for our breathing. So we say that plant more trees as plants will absorb the carbon dioxide from the nature and gives out the oxygen, that is pure air. So when we observe the small bubbles around the leaves, it means that leaf has released the oxygen, that leaf is breathing. So leaves also breathe. In this image, you can see the bubbles formed around the leaf. They are the oxygen bubbles. And how this happens is, sun gives the sunlight to the leaf. Carbon dioxide is trapped by the leaves. Water is provided by the roots to the leaves. And these three, sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water, react together to form the food and oxygen. The produced food is used for the growth of the plants and oxygen is released out of the plant. So the think time is, what is the process in which leaves convert sunlight into energy? It is called as. So the answer for this question is, the process in which leaves convert sunlight into energy is called as photosynthesis. The process in which plants make their own food is called as photosynthesis. As you can see in this picture, here sun is giving sunlight, water is given by the roots, and carbon dioxide is trapped by the leaves. And when these three react together, they form glucose, that is sugar, and gives out the oxygen. The process of making food, or the process where the sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide react together to form the oxygen and sugar, is called as photosynthesis. So in today's session, we see about breathing process as plants absorb carbon dioxide and gives out the oxygen, and the process of making food of plant is called as photosynthesis. I hope you understand leaves also breathe. Thank you so much.